Shh, guys, here, let's. Shh, shh.
Kayla crying.
Here's Kayla. Oh, poor thing. What do you think we should do?
How does she cry?
Oh, because she's not out here with us. I'll go ahead and let her out here with us, and we just got to make sure that whenever Jessie gets here,
Let's put her away real quick.
yeah. All right, go grab her.
What's she
What do you think, Bryce?
good?
Can you? I'm recording you. Can you say something to the camera?
This one.
Hey, KK.
Yeah. Her is crying.
Can you say hi, Kathleen?
Hi, Kathleen.
That's great. That's great. How are you today, Rice?
Hi, TJ.
Who?
Hey, TJ.
TJ?
Yeah.
Who's TJ?
My best friend.
Who's that?
Good friend.
Oh, that's my little brother's name, too. Can you say hi, Carl?
Hi, Carl.
Say hi, Carl, Paul.
Hi, Carl Paul.
Can you say hi, Ryan's family?
Hi, Ryan Family.
Yay! Hey, KK.
Hey, KK. Hey, KK. Hey, KK. Ah! Hey,
Hey, you put your head in there for that one, buddy.